Did you recently get an email from Clover indicating that their Clover Online will no longer be active as of April 30th, 2019? So basically, the email which you're looking at here was sent to Clover customers that are using Clover Online or mycloveronline.com. It says that domains will cease to be available as of April 30th, 2019. And basically, when you saw this email, you're probably panicking or worrying what to do next, and you're looking for an alternative solution on how to move that information over to somewhere else. So I'm here to show you that we do have good solutions for that. So I'm going to go ahead and discuss a few different options. So what we have is called Smart Online Order. This connects directly to your Clover. What will happen is when a customer orders from your website, it will print the orders to your Clover. And I'm going to show you two different ways of going about that. One is directed towards restaurants, the other is directed towards retail. So let me show you, first let's go ahead and start with restaurants. I know most merchants that use Clover Online, they have retail, and some of them have restaurants, but I'm going to start with restaurants and then work my way to retail so you can get an idea of which one is best for you. So we have here a business here called Oasis Grill, and they are using Smart Online Order for their Clover. So let me show you what that looks like. So when I click on Pickup Orders, it will take me to their menu page, and then from their menu I can choose, let me first choose a location here. Let's choose San Francisco, First Street. Let's see, let's take a look at their menu. So this is their menu. This information you see here, the item names, this comes directly from their Clover. So it takes that data, puts it on the website, and when a customer orders from this website, it takes the orders, sends it to the Clover, and the Clover prints it out. So not only will it print out the orders, it will also have on the Clover itself, there's two order types. You'll have online order pickup, and then you have your in-store purchases and other order types. So at the end of the day, when you guys do reporting, you can see how many online orders you got and how many pickup orders you got. So this is the restaurant, how the restaurants will look. But let me go back to the actual Smart Online Order so I can show you some more examples. I'm going to go ahead and click on here. This is the integration with WordPress. Again, even if you don't have WordPress, we can still make it work for you. So if you have a different domain name or different like Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, or any of them, we can still make your order online page because we have several options that kind of suits all business needs. So first, let me show you some other examples, because the one I showed you was Oasis Grill. Let me show you another burger restaurant. So this one has, you can see it's a different website, but they're still using Smart Online Order. So let me show you what their order online page looks like. This one has a different layout. Actually, this one has a similar layout. Let me show you one with a different layout so you can get a different perspective on what it looks like. So again, this menu connects with the Clover. Let me go back and choose a different layout. Let's try, let's see which one has a different layout here. I believe this one does. Cookie Store. Yeah, let's try the Cookie Store example. Again, these are real merchants using Smart Online Order as we speak right now. So let me take a look at this one here. I'm going to click on Order Now. Let's choose Glassboro location. So here we go, the online order page, and this one they also have set up where you can buy gift cards as well. Oh, they're also using the same store interface. Okay, I guess this is the most popular store interface. But the point I'm trying to get across is that there are 5 different store interfaces to choose from. And I'm actually going to show that to you as well. That way you can see it for yourself. So basically, the other option you can do is the WooCommerce integration here. WooCommerce is more towards retail stores, so that when orders are processed through your WooCommerce website, it'll send the orders to your Clover and then print that out in real time. Let me show you what I mean by one example of a WooCommerce customer that is using Smart Online Order. Here's a WooCommerce website, WooCommerce shop page. As you can see, they're selling clothing, tuxedos, ties. So what will happen is, let's say I buy a tie from their website. This website right here, their gateway is connected to the Clover. So when I buy a tie, I'm going to press the plus sign here, add to cart. Okay, and then when I check out, you'll notice that I'm going to press checkout here. Okay, so see right here, 100% safe and guaranteed transaction will be taken to a secure page to enter credit card information. So what happens here, once the customer puts their information here to purchase this tie, it will take him to a gateway and it'll send that order to your Clover. Okay, so the orders will be sent to your Clover and you can see that order via email or a printout, and you can also go in the report app to see that information. Okay, this is one customer example using WooCommerce. So let me go back to the main website again. I want to show you a few different things here. Before I do that, I'm going to try one more time so I can see if I can show you a different store interface that's being used. Let's try Cake Shop. Let's try the Cake Shop. Okay, let's try this one, Order Online. Let's see if they're using a different store interface. Aha, there we go. We got one with a different store interface. See, there's different styles you can choose from. That's the point I was trying to make, was that the Smart Online Order allows you to have different look and feel of your website. So you can choose different ways of presenting your menu to your customers. Okay, so this Cake Shop is using store interface 5. And I'll show you the back end as well so you can see how this merchant is able to have a different look and feel on his on his Order Online page, while this customer has this look on his Smart Online Order page. Okay, I'm going to show you where those changes are made from. Okay, I am at the back end of the online order page, so you can see what it looks like, where the changes are made. So when I click on store interface right here, I'm giving different options to choose different store interfaces. Oasis Grill was using this one, and the Cake Shop was using this one. So as you can see, there's different options you can choose from. So let me show you. Some of the customizations you can do. So you can customize the store interface even further. You can change the font color, the text size, the categories, background color, the buttons hover color. So a lot of customizations to have a unique look for your online order page. And I'm going to show you an example of somebody that really customized their online order so you can see what that looks like. Let me go ahead and go back to the Smart Online Order page. Again, feel free to visit the website. It's called smartonlineorder.com. I'll put the link below so you can click on it and look at all the options that are available. Let me show you some of the merchants that are using it. You can also click on here and find all the customers that are currently using Smart Online Order, and then also the WooCommerce integration. Let me see if I can find one. Oh, here's one that really customized the online ordering experience for their customers. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to press Order Now. See, look, they went above and beyond. See, they customized it, and you can do the same thing if you want. So again, you can have a different experience and have a different look and feel of your online order. See, they changed it to make it look more like their website. Again, you can do two things. You can add the menu, the online ordering yourself, or if you're a beginner and you don't know where to start and you want somebody to make all this stuff for you, we can actually do that as well. See, our plan also includes a full website package. So if you need a complete website package, we can create that for you as well. So let's say you don't know if you need this or if you need that or if you need a full website. We can actually make you a full website. But the main point of this video is to show you that if you already have WooCommerce store, then all you do is add the API key to get the orders to print through your Clover. If you already have a Clover POS and you saw that email from Clover saying that, hey, you have to go elsewhere, you can transition and get an online ordering set up within a very short amount of time, because it will import your Clover inventory, show on your website, and you are ready to go again. So we have 3 options, and this will cover your needs. So if you're doing restaurants, then you will go with this option here. If you're doing retail, then you want to go with this option. If you have nothing to start with, then you want to go with the full website package. Okay. Again, there's many other videos on YouTube about Smart Online Order, but I want to bring this video to your attention because I know that you've been getting the email from Clover and you don't know what to do next. So I'm going to put the phone number in the link below. Just give us a call or send us an email, and we'll get you switched over and get your online orders back on track before the deadline, before the Clover thing is no longer active. Again, here's some examples. So what can you do with Smart Online Order? Auto prints to the Clover, tracks and syncs inventory with Clover, email and text notifications, allows scheduled orders, has 5 store layouts. There's no additional transaction fees, unlimited orders, uses your Clover inventory. Again, you have different themes to choose from. This one's more focused towards restaurants. It has delivery zones. You can view the orders on Clover, has pickup delivery orders. And what about the WooCommerce Gateway? This one does everything this one does. This one, the only difference is this one has an independent inventory. So you're going to use your WooCommerce inventory. Okay, so it'll have your WooCommerce inventory separate from your Clover inventory. But if you want to use your Clover inventory, then you want to go with this option. But if you get confused at any time, just give us a call and we'll help you out. WooCommerce is nice because with retail, you want to print the shipping labels, and this allows you to do all that stuff. Okay, so those are the 2 options for you. Again, has all the features on the website. Feel free to look through it to get more acquainted with all of the additional features you have. And you can read the testimonials from current merchants that are using it. Again, we're here to make things easy for you. Please do give us a call. Number is on the website and also on here as well, 925-234-5554. And you can also send an email as well. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you so much.